Alright, so I'm going to do the exact thing I saw in your video with my bike, best I can. So, right now my bike is in perfect running order. No choke. Starts right up. It's completely cold, 72 degrees. Now, I've got these two remote hoses for when I sink my carbs without removing anything. If I pull these off, I essentially now have a vacuum leak. And it's going to run the exact same way your video did. So if I turn my choke all the way on, it starts up high. And if I try to reduce the choke, it basically gets down to a real low idle and dies. Now, if I leave the choke off like you did and restart it, it'll restart, but it really won't go anywhere. You can kind of run it, but it keeps dying on me. You should be able to keep it running if you just has a vacuum leak, but it'll always eventually die. It doesn't like to run. Maybe my bike's slightly jetted better than yours, so maybe that's why it runs a little bit better. But if I cover up those hoses again, hoses are covered, choke is off, ignition on, starts right back up and runs fine. Choke on, off. Hope this helps.